Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Buys. Today I have a very special video. I'm going to unbox the PS5. If you are into the PlayStation console, you should know how difficult it is to find one of these days. It's since the last year, November 20th, I believe was the first day it was available, and since then I've been trying to get one and until today. So 2021 May, I finally be able to get one. Not the regular way. I had to pay more. I bought it through a reseller, but I got one. So it's not for me. I'm not a gamer. I bought it for my son, and it's been too difficult to get one. I'm so excited to unbox this. Finally, I have it here. It's been long. I've been into PlayStation since the PS1. It was long. Yeah. I've been around for that long. Since the PlayStation 1, I got the PlayStation 1. I never got a PlayStation 2. I got the PlayStation 3. I never got a PlayStation 4. Then now I have a son that is into games, video games, and he wants the PS5. So I got the console for him. So let's see what is inside the box. Oh, well, it's heavy. Really heavy. First, before open the box, let's read or know a little bit of what is supposed to be inside. The first thing that you have to notice is 825 gigs, 825 gigs. Is that enough? I don't know. I believe, in my experience, I'm a network engineer, and I know for the games of these days, that's a little bit low because games right now are heavy, are going to take most of the space. So let's see. I believe Sony is trying to push you to use the external hard drive or storage device. So let's see how it goes with the 825 gigs of storage. Okay, the basics. Let's see on this side what we're supposed to get with this. Okay, we're supposed to get the PlayStation console, of course, the wireless controller. So it comes with only one. So if you want another one, you have to buy it separate. It's not coming. This particular one is not coming with the second controller. A base, just in case you want to put a horizontally. You have a base to put it that way in case you don't want to stand in. An HDMI cable, an AC power cord, a USB cable in case you want to charge the controller with the console, and the paperwork, the classic. And it says that it comes with the Astro Playroom pre-install in the console. So that is what it says we have inside the box. But one thing is what it says, and another one is to be able to see it by yourself. I don't know if I can stand or not, because I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. I know you don't want to see me, you want to see the PlayStation. So what we have here, we have inside this box is the separate box. So let me see. Yeah, it's a box inside a box. So inside this box, let me take this out of the way and open this one. And inside this one we have the wireless controller. It feels really good. Feels good. Anyway, as I say, I'm not a gamer, so if you want to know more about this, my son has his own YouTube channel, so I'm going to leave all the information down below, so in case you want to check his channel, and he's going to be reviewing the unit and some games, so be sure to get there, check the channel, and click the subscribe button. By the way, if you are new here, please click the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Let's see what else we have here. As the box says, we have the base. Just in case that we want to test it later. So we have the base, we have the wireless controller, we have the power cable, of course. We have an HDMI cable, basic HDMI, but good to know that it comes with one, and the USB cable to charge the controller is USB-C, USB-A. So let's see what is inside the big box. The start of the game is here. It's a really big box. Not only big, it's really heavy. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's do it this way because it's heavy. Wow, huge. Since watching some videos about the PS5, and you know, everybody says it's huge. Really huge. Really huge. You can see it here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I hit my microphone. Okay. Wow. Really heavy. Okay. Here we have the big boy. PS5, finally. We got one. Let's see what we have here. We have the PlayStation logo on the left front of the unit, on the top. And this side, I believe this is the back of the unit. We have the two USB-A ports. The network port is Cat6, is a gigabit port. HDMI port to connect the console to a TV or monitor, and the power cable. So let's turn this around, and here you have a USB port, A port, and USB-C port. The jack button for this reader, and the power button. This is this edition, the model. We have a digital edition or model. That one obviously is not gonna have this one. This one has the this reader. How about this way, or this model, because we have or you can still using PS4 games. Is backward compatible with the PS4 games, so we have PS4 games and we are planning to use it with this. So let me know what you think. It's huge. As I said, I'm not a gamer. I'm not going to review the unit. If you want more information about the console, check down below. I'm going to leave the link for my son YouTube channel. He's going to review the unit, the games and all that. He's into that and not. But yeah, have you tried to find one? Have you tried to buy the PlayStation? I've been looking for a PlayStation. Let me know. Yeah, luck with the search, because it's been difficult to get one these days. So let me know what you think about the PS5. And as always, if you like this video, please give it one of these and click the subscribe button. If you have any comments, leave it down below. Be happy to read your comments. And I've been looking for this for a month. So my son had not seen this yet. I want to see his face when he opened the box. Unboxing this before him. So let me know in the comments if you are planning to get one of these or you got it already. What you think about the unit? It's good, better than the PS4. Obviously it should be. So let me know. See you on the next one. Bye.